O Allah, allow us to catch Laylatul Qadr this Ramadan. Tonight could be Laylatul Qadr, the most rewarded night of worship in the year, where every act of worship is multiplied by the equivalent of 83 years of worship. So, my brothers and sisters, increase your salah, increase your taraweeh, increase your recitation of Quran, and increase your remembrance of Allah and du'as. And lastly, be sure to increase your sadaqah, your charity, in this particular month. The International Open University's campaign for 1 million scholarships is a lifeline for our African brothers and sisters. This is a Sadaqah Jariyah project capable of earning you continuous rewards forever. A simple $100 in charity can earn you rewards of nearly $3 million. So don't miss out on these incredible rewards. Give charity today for the pleasure of Allah, as only He knows if we will have the chance to catch Laylatul Qadr again. Only Allah knows.